Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the OSO Inspired Collaboration. This month, Alicia sent us out this beautiful die cut card by Mary Wessling as an inspiration piece. So, this is an inlaid die cut technique that she has used in this card, and we were directly inspired by it because we haven't really made any card with this sort of a technique before, and we decided that we'd just recreate the same thing um, with the supplies that we have. So to begin with, we cut a piece of cardstock which is about 9 inches by 3.5 inches and scored it at 4.5, and that gives us our card base, and we're going to make a sort of a top opening card for this one. And we have another piece of cardstock which is 3.25 inches by about almost 4 inches. So that's a slightly smaller piece, leaving a nice border on all four sides. Now first we're going to use a stamp from the Alt New A Splash of Color set. So that's the stamp, and we're using this ombre ink pad by Recollections. So we really like the effect of the inspiration piece with the three colors in the background, and we're going to do that with this particular stamp and ink pad. So that's the background with the three colors and a splatter. Now quickly just drying this ink. And now we're going to use a butterfly die. So we're going to use this Fantasy Butterfly die number 660, maybe the big one, and just run it through a die cut machine and be back. So with that done, our butterfly is now cut out of it, and we can lay this here and glue down our butterfly. But before that, we're going to distress the edges of this particular piece and just add some foam tape to glue this down. That just gives a nice dimension on our card. Now before really gluing the butterfly down, we're also going to just add a sentiment, which is life is a box of colors, from the same stamp set and the same ink. And maybe we're going to actually add a little bit of glitter onto our butterfly using glossy accents. To just glue the butterfly in the center. So maybe just adding the glossy accent to the body of the butterfly. And with that done, this quick card is complete. So that's a look at the card with the butterfly wings sort of rising out, and just a quick inspiration, a quick card inspired by the piece this month. Hope you've enjoyed this quick technique share, and do hop with us, check out the other collaborators channels, because there are a lot of fun projects, and it's always interesting to see how every crafter is inspired in what they've created. And until our next time, take care and bye bye.